Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mdeni wa Ebenezer Dibakwane ukhiphe statement. Ebenezer Dibakwane was a comedian ledume ngendlela lesimanga. Abantu abaningi bebamthanda ngendlela lesimanga ngemahlaya akhe alabeka wenda. Ushiye emhlabeni Ebenezer mhla tingu-7 March 2025 kuyo lenyanga. And imndeni yakhe uthi ukhipha statement wakhombisa uRakhul Marada something very shocking lebantu labaningi bangaya-expect ukuthi utibulele uthethe impilo yakhe. So people are really shocked ukuthi hayibo kanjani ungathi umuntu bekahlala abhabli njena ahleka into amajoke kwendekeni agcine sekathatha impilo yakhe. Ushilo nemndeni ngokuthi uEbenezer wabhekadela ne-depression for isikhathi lesithe ngendlela lesimanga. Siyakhumbula ukuthi kwaba khona one of the interviews where he revealed ukuthi he once tried to commit suicide, and people were like hayibo kanjani wena wathi uhlala uhleka kanjena, and he said ukuthi act. So guys, people are going through so much, people are going through a lot, but they always make sure that every day they wear a smile. Hence why we don't see ukuthi kunebantu who are going through so much empilweni because bahlala bahleka. Sithi futhi emndeni ngazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakhe ungalala ngokuthula. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.